afternoon. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2026. I'm here at Ortega River Marina. We have some concerns about different zincs needed to be put on the boat, so I'm going to go ahead and get a video, just double check it, and go ahead and video all of the outdrive zincs while I'm at it. Why not? And see if there's anything going on with the trim tabs as well. Well, we definitely need a threaded disc things, so we'll be getting those and bringing the bolts for those. And it looks like we might need a trim ram on that one over there. So, or yeah, the quick change trim ram. So we'll go ahead